Hey everyone, my name is Alan Long. I'm the CEO and founder of Sequel. So the core idea behind Sequel is we're building a crypto command center. So what does that really mean? We started from the perspective that there's a giant problem with self-custody. I've been doing self-custody for many years now. It's very fragmented, it's very inconvenient. Most people are honestly not suited to do it. So we wanted to actually fix that problem. So what we built is we built a way to consolidate all of your wallets, all of your hardware wallets, all of your post-it notes, times that you've stamped your seed phrases in metal. We want to bring all that together into a single platform to let you manage all of those things from one place. So how do we do it? The core of what we've built is a zero-knowledge wallet manager. So in one place, you have all of your wallets, storing all of your seeds, protecting all of those with zero-knowledge cryptography. On top of that, we layer several other services in various capacities, areas of security, trading, portfolio tracking, and even some life services that are pretty unique to what we're offering. So some of the core feature sets that we offer: secure key management, cross-chain trading, automated portfolio tracking, social recovery. So social recovery is a way of recovering your seed phrases and your private keys utilizing your own social circle. So you never lose your seed phrases ever again. And then estate and inheritance services. The core team is myself. I've been an engineer for about 12 years now. I've been in blockchain for honestly a long time on the technical side. And this is my first foray into actually building on top of blockchain tech. My co-founders, Michael and JT. Michael has a financial background. He's the CEO of a payments fintech right now, and JT is the head of product at a company called LifeLoop. We have several other engineers that I've brought on. Kevin, we have a dev who prefers to stay anonymous, who's building out our wallet infrastructure. Sho is sort of a creative director for us. He's kind of in charge of all of our marketing, branding, and then Peter is a friend that used to work at Citadel. He is building out our financial analytics modules. So why would a user actually want to use Sequel? So you get a number of things right out of the gate. You get institutional grade security. You get the ability to do very unique estate planning and inheritance tasks. You get your entire cross-chain portfolio at a glance. We currently integrate 20 chains, and it takes us about 3 weeks to integrate a new one. You get to leverage decentralized finance straight from the beginning, just like you do currently with your self-custodial wallets. And our security architecture actually eliminates entire classes of threats. So it's much more safe for the average person to use than something like MetaMask, for example. One of our most unique offerings is an SDK for third-party wallets to integrate us as a sort of security partner. So rather than you having to write down your seed phrases, store it, secure it, and then put it back into the wallet whenever you want to use it, we actually give you the ability to sign in and secure it with Sequel, or to restore your wallet from Sequel directly in the third-party wallet. This actually gives us the really unique ability to do things like notify you if one of our partners, if someone puts your seed phrase in, we can notify you and let you emergency migrate your assets to try to beat the person who's trying to drain your wallet. And this is all utilizing zero-knowledge cryptography. We don't have access to any of your secrets, ever. So our product roadmap, core features are essentially done. We're ready to roll. We're actually moving into product expansion now, so we're working on our mobile application, the concept of just-in-time wallets. This is a pretty new concept. We're also adding in trading capabilities right now. My devs are currently working. I was on a call with them earlier, integrating this capability. The next thing for us is, once we move from that, we're going to be able to actually move into third-party integrations with centralized exchanges. So you would be able to see across all the centralized exchanges and your self-custody wallets everything you have in one place. Imagine Mint.com, but you can also actually do things on it, right? Mint just gave you the ability to see everything. We give you the ability to see everything and manage that in one place. In terms of competition and comparables, we kind of see ourselves in a similar light to something like Copper or Fireblocks, but for a totally different market. They're targeting really large institutional users, we're going after more towards retail and small institutions, things like law firms who want to offer inheritance services, financial advisors who, a lot of people don't want to manage that themselves. They want to let their financial advisor do it for them. So we want to provide the tooling to let them do that, all while letting you continue to own your own assets. In terms of differentiation from those, like I mentioned, we are going after completely different market segments. We've already actually talked with Fireblocks. We agree we're in the same space, but we're not actually competitors based on the types of users we're actually going after. They really focus on those high-end financial needs, whereas we're really focused on the sort of human-centric features that really has been sort of neglected over the past several years of blockchain advancement. Our business, we actually have a free tier. We want to offer wallet management and security services for free. Everybody. We just, as a public good, we want to enable people to improve their security posture. We make money on the cross-chain trading via a revenue percentage of the actual trade. And the same thing, we're actually going to be moving the fiat on and off ramp into the free as well, because again, we can take a small spread on money moving in and out of the system. If you want access to some of the more advanced feature sets, such as the social recovery, the automated portfolio tracking, or things like the estate planning and inheritance, that's going to come under a subscription model. So we've kind of broken that down into 2 tiers, and it's possible that we'll add some a la carte features as well as we build additional service layers on top of what we've built as our core security engine. We actually also have an enterprise product. That's what I was mentioning. We were going after sort of those smaller scale B2B institutions, the companies offering this as employee benefits, or law firms offering it to their clients for inheritance and estate planning, or RIAs, family offices. We've had a lot of interest from institutions like that in a product like this. So our core 5-point plan, we're looking to raise $3 million. I actually have a real product. I can go demo it right over here after this if you're interested in seeing it. We actually have some soft commits from some pretty major firms already. So we're looking for a lead to actually price the round and help us close it out. Based on our conversations with enterprise users and actually just retail customers, the willingness to pay is incredible. And once you're on the platform, you're a really sticky customer. I mean, all of your wallets are there consolidated in one place. There's not a lot of reason to actually leave. So we actually think that we can hit Series A numbers within about a year. Thank you.